Hi, this is Amrita. This is an easy quick bread making recipe which you can make quickly in under 1 hour. The prep time is around 10 minutes. I have taken 3 parts whole wheat and 1 part maida, and then I'm going to add around 12 gram of instant yeast. I got it from a local store. It's loose yeast, and I didn't get the one from the online shops because they were not working very well for me. So I will just get started. Hearing a little music in the background sometimes because there's a bhajan group singing next doors. So I have added 4 gram. This is 8 gram. And some more, around 12 gram. Give it a stir. I'll add warm water, which is hot enough for you to dip your finger in, but not too hot. It needs to wake the yeast up. And I'll also add around 2.5 teaspoons of sugar. This is around 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is 400 gram of 3:1 atta+maida. I'm giving it a stir. I have heated up water to add. This is water warmed up for around 1 minute. I'm adding around 30 ml at first. This is baking is an exact science, and I try to keep it all more or less chemistry perfect. I'm just giving it a stir to get the yeast all activated. I've added 30 ml of water more. The bread is almost ready. Now it's going in to be baked. It's exactly 1 hour after I have put it in the bread tin. Now I'm not going to wait for the second rise. I don't do that. That's too much work. So I'll just show you how it goes next. I will be brushing it with a little bit of water again. Just gently. The brush really helps. You can use a mixture of oil and milk and honey to give it a lovely color and taste to the crumb, but I'm not going to do that. 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes now. It's going in. Okay, I'm unmolding the bread. Okay, looks very good. Bread is ready. Now it's going to be cut. The sharper the knife, the better it is. It's definitely not easy. I generally wrap the bread with a moist piece of cloth, cotton, till it cools down before I cut. This is a tip my sister gave me, and that makes it easier to cut. I have not used butter for coating the crust while baking. That's why this is a pale brown color. If you add butter and sugar as a top coat, it gives a nice darker brown crust.